Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set wallpaper on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Now from here, just tap on wallpapers. Now from here, you can select any wallpaper from the default wallpapers on your smartphone. Or you can tap on download more. Now from here you can download more wallpapers from the themes app, just like that. Now from here, let's download a wallpaper. Now from here, just tap on download. Now from here, just tap on apply. Now from here, you can select to set it as your lock screen or your home screen wallpaper, or you can select lock screen and home screen wallpaper. I will select home screen. Now from here, if you go to your home screen, you can see that we have successfully changed the wallpaper on our smartphone. And this is how you can set wallpaper on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.